If you've encountered security checks on Instagram and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the iSROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. Look for any emails from Instagram regarding your account status. They may have sent instructions or additional verification steps that you need to follow to regain access. Step 3. Use the Instagram app. Open the Instagram app and attempt to log in. If you see a message about security checks, follow the on-screen instructions. This may involve answering security questions or completing a CAPTCHA. Step 4. Request a login link. If you are still unable to access your account, use the Need More Help option on the login page. Instagram will send a login link to your registered email or phone number, allowing you to reset your password and regain access. Step 5. Contact Instagram support. If all else fails, reach out to Instagram support directly through the app or their help center. Provide as much information as possible about your account and the issues you are facing to expedite the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Instagram account after any security checks. Remember to keep your account information secure to avoid future issues.